I'm gonna show you how to make $100 per day as a beginner with Clickbank for free.
Big head on the Gucci gang, 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 Gucci gang. Spread thin racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot her name. I can't buy me no wetter rain. Rather go and buy ball mains. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.
What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis Jr. here with EricEllisJr.com, and your boy is back at it again with another fire video. Simply gonna go to show you guys how to make $100 per day as a beginner with Clickbank for free. Now make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications bell, because on a daily basis I'm showing you guys actionable steps on how to crush it in online business. So hit that subscriber button right freaking now. Now before we go ahead and step behind the actual laptop, make sure you follow your boy on Instagram as well. That didn't happen, but at Eric Ellis Jr. Now, guys, it's very simple. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the fundamentals that you're going to need to actually crush it. So let's just step right behind the laptop. Alright guys, so step number one, very simple. Not step number exclamation, but create account. I mean, that should be self-explanatory. The way you guys create an account is simply go to clickbank.com, create an account, fill all your details. Now, the secret to creating an account is because sometimes people actually don't get approved. You have to act as if you know what you're talking about. They're gonna act as if you've done affiliate marketing before. You answer the questions right, you'll get approved for an account. Then the next step is simply going into the marketplace, right? So, marketplace, and find converting offer. Now guys, you want an offer that's gonna make money, right? Because a lot of the times people pick offers, but they're really not good offers. So what we want to do is simply go to one of the 3 most profitable niches, right? Now, one of the 3 most profitable niches are health and wellness, fitness, well, that's the same one, wealth, which make money online, right? That's an example of one. That's the niche that I'm in. Last but not least, romance, right? Now, for this example, what I'm going to do is go to, let me see, we'll go to fitness. Now, the best way on Clickbank, guys, is to sort your results by gravity score, right? So gravity score, if you notice at the bottom, it'll show the gravity score, 188. For this one, 164. For this one, 128. So let's see what this looks like. 128. Now, by the way, what that means is that 128 affiliates to date are making money within the last week with this actual product. So before we press promote, we want to actually open up a new link tab and see what it looks like. Let me see. I don't know. I don't like how that looks, to be honest with you. We'll see Red Detox D. Nope, leave, bye. Alright, Red Detox C. So, that's the number 1 in health and wellness right now. Now guys, understand that there's going to be a lot of competition with that one because a lot of people are getting it. So I'll kind of search through one that is congruent with you, one that has the right profit margins for you. And then what you're going to do is simply press promote. Right? This is 25%. And create. Now, once you get that link, right, you want to use something like bit.ly.com, and use a URL shortener. So I'll simply go ahead and copy this link right here, and then you have a shorter link, right? Save, and then we're going to copy. Now, 3. You have your link. Next is promote. Now guys, what we're gonna focus on now, and this is where the money is made, is simply traffic source, right? Now, there's paid and organic. Now here's the thing, I would highly recommend not getting into paid traffic until you guys learn your numbers, right? So, meaning, once you find out how many clicks equals a sell, then you can get into paid traffic. And what I mean by that, if 100 clicks equals one sell, then you can get into paid traffic because you know it takes 100 clicks to get one sell. Then you want to figure out how much a sell is worth to you. Now, obviously, guys, if you're getting $20 for 100 clicks, right? You want to do organic traffic with this. So, an example, the best form of organic traffic that I can think of is, and this is what you guys want to focus on to make money. The best organic traffic and to make money for free, right? Because the video, I forgot I even said free. So we're going to focus more so on organic traffic anyways to make sure that we're generating pure profit. Now guys, what I personally use for my affiliate marketing and to sell all my products, I do paid traffic, but also, right, I use YouTube. Now the best for YouTube, the best way to create content for YouTube is simply by doing this, right? So what is the problem that people are having within your niche? So an example, health and wellness. How to lose belly fat. And what I'm gonna do, and guys, just to show you I practice what I preach, right? Here we go. Boop, boop, boop. Where is it? So, see this video right here, how to make money online with Clickbank for free 2018. That is the exact title that I'm using, right? Now, me personally, I didn't even look at the content, but I am teaching you guys this, right? So I'm showing you guys I practice what I preach, right? On this video, you simply go ahead and find, it's called Learn to Teach. You find something, just 1 week. This drink, I don't even know what that is, 4 steps. So 4 steps to lose belly fat in 1 week. What I'm gonna do is click on this, consume the content, right? Grab value from this content. Once you grab value from this content, I'm simply going to, and guys, you don't even have to do that. You can even use video titles that people are using to actually just gain some sort of insight on what you guys want to create. Or just an idea rather, right? Because sometimes I forget, right? I forget, I don't even know what type of content that I want to create, right? So once you guys go ahead and get an idea of content to create, you're simply going to go ahead and create a video. Once you guys create a video, you're simply going to make sure that you guys use specific keywords that people are searching for, right? In this one, lose belly fat. And you're going to go ahead and upload the video to YouTube, and you guys want to use the 80-20 rule. 80% value, 20% pitch. So what you're going to do is create value for your audience within their niche, and then you want to redirect them to your offer. Meaning, if you guys want to learn more information about this, blah, 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 click the link in my description, and you guys can get access to this, etc., etc. And that's a form of traffic, right? Now, here's the thing, that's one traffic method, guys, but at the end of the day, you guys want to focus on the traffic source that works for you, right? So an example, you might have a large Instagram account, or you might be really good at growing Instagram accounts. That might be the best traffic source for you. YouTube, you might be a great YouTuber, or you have an infectious personality to where that's a great traffic source for you. You might not want to create YouTube channels, so you might want to get into blogging, right? You guys can create blogs, and then while you guys are creating blogs, valuable content, once people actually search it, you redirect them to your affiliate offers, right? So guys, the name of the game is simply focusing on traffic and driving traffic to your offers. Now, here's the thing. If you guys want to 10x your profits what you guys want to do is look into sales funnels, right? A sales funnel is a page that collects an email, right? So what you're doing is you're giving people a bribe in exchange for their email, right? A freebie. And then what they'll get access to is your sales page on the other side. Now, just to show you guys an example of a sales funnel. Let's see if I actually have, or let me do this rather. Capture page. So here's an example. Let me see if I can find a fitness capture page. I want one that's not asking for too much information. Okay, that one sucks. Okay, so free report, the number one secret to melt your mummy tummy, right? So guys, an example is if I'm using this type of content, right? 4 steps to lose belly fat in 1 week. Now, guys, this video has 4.6 million views. What I'm going to do is simply create value content, and after my value content, I'm going to redirect them to the links in my description, and then what they're going to do is they're going to go ahead and get access to something like this. You create a sales funnel capture page, and you don't have to have a video. You can literally have a headline and some text telling them that they're going to get access to the solution to their problem. Once they put in their email, you're simply going to go ahead and redirect them to that sales page, right, that we picked with Clickbank. And what's most important is you have that email to where you're building another following, right? You're building a following. It's called a distribution channel. And then you guys can start redirecting that traffic, right, those emails, by doing email marketing back to your affiliate marketing offers. So not only can you use that initial Clickbank offer and promote that on your email list, but you can also promote different offers that you have or that they aren't aware of, right, within the same niche. So there's multiple ways to actually monetize that email list. And all of this, guys, focus on the traffic source, figure out which one works best for you. If you guys want ideas about traffic sources, simply go to YouTube and search different traffic sources. So with that being said, guys, that is the solution. And if you guys want to 10x it, you guys want to create one of those little funnels so that way you guys can monetize that customer instead of monetizing them for that first time and they never buy, right? Even if they don't buy on the first time, they might buy the 7th, 8th, or 9th point of contact, right? So that's the importance of that. Now with that being said, guys, that is the key to making $100 per day. To be honest with you guys will be making way more than $100 a day online. I make well over $100 per day with affiliate marketing and Clickbank products and a whole bunch of affiliate offers simply by doing that method that I just taught you. Not only do I leverage this specific YouTube channel, but I have a whole bunch of different traffic methods that I'm driving to these little sales funnels to generate sales on autopilot, passive income while I sleep, right? Yesterday I made $400 literally while I was watching the waves at the beach. Now if you guys did enjoy that content, make sure to give me a thumbs up. And make sure to subscribe because, again, I show you guys actionable steps on the daily basis to crush it in online business. If you're a beginner or if you're just somebody who wants great value and different tips and tricks, you guys need to hit that subscriber button so I can help you succeed, right? Because I didn't have a mentor when I first started. So hit that subscriber button, hit the notifications bell, and all the links in the description, right? Yes, they are affiliate offers, but all the links in the descriptions are the things that I actually use as an affiliate to crush it. So yes, I'll be compensated for you taking advantage on any of those things, but those are what I use to crush it in online business. So get access to those, including my ebook, Affiliates Playbook, should be one of the first links. That one's a freebie, that's not an affiliate offer. And last but not least, guys, if you guys want to crush it in affiliate marketing, I do have a course called Jumpstart Affiliate that'll literally give you guys a step-by-step actionable steps on how to crush it in affiliate marketing. And last but not least, guys, I am going to be launching, it might have been launched already depending on when you're watching this, but I'm launching something called Wolves Entourage, right, which is literally going to be teaching you guys everything digital, right, things that I'm not going to be sharing on my YouTube channel, right, Right now, down below, you guys can actually register for the pre-launch. If it is already launched, right, there's going to be a link that you guys can actually join it. It's a mastermind group that I'm going to be teaching people how to crush it in online business, everything digital, whether it's network marketing, affiliate marketing, online business, you have an agency, just literally things that you guys, instead of just going through a course, right, it's going to be my hands-on mentorship, support, all that extra good stuff. So register down below. With that being said, guys, I appreciate you guys so freaking much. Eric Ellis Jr. checking out.
Big head on the rim. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. Spread thin racks on new chain. My bitch love do cocaine. Ooh, I fuck a bitch, I forgot name. I can't bob in the wetter rain. Rather go and bob all mains. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang.